Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rail assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, the marker pen, and a pair of metal shears. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new rail assembly. This rail assembly is located in the refrigerator compartment on the left side. It supports the crisper drawer, allowing it to easily slide in and out. If you are experiencing difficulties pulling out or sliding in the left side crisper drawer, or it won't close completely, it's time to check and replace the rail assembly if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So I'm going to remove the drawers, and then I'm going to remove the crisper drawer cover. Alright, so I'm going to lift up the front just a little bit and then pull out the cover. Be careful, don't break the glass in the middle. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take out the two screws that holds the rail. Now I'm going to pull it over the side and pull it forward. Yeah, we have this tab over here that plugs into this opening. This is the old rail assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. There's one little thing I would like to pay attention to. So if we'll compare these two rail assemblies, we will see that this top portion is longer than the old one. That's because of the new refrigerators. They made an adjustment, and this is the new part look like. So what we need to do is just to use the metal shear and snap it off. And then, if you can see, there's a little groove here, and we don't have it here. So I'm using a marker pen, and we're going to make a line. If you can see that this is exactly the same length as the rail itself. So it's kind of easy. We're going to put a line here. And also, we need to draw this little channel here. Cut out. Then I'm going to use the metal shear. Snap it off. And this one also. Now we can install a new and improved rail assembly back in place here. Match this tab with cut out and push it back in. So then we're gonna match the holes and secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. Now I'm going to bring in and install the crisper drawer cover and slide it on. Push it back. And the drawers goes back in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.